new generation of Chinese bionic humanoid robots is attracting attention. And this time, the spotlight is on Yunmu Intelligent Manufacturing with its highly realistic female-style humanoid robot. Step by step, the video reveals her astonishing capabilities, opening with an intense close-up of her hyper-realistic face, where you can literally see the delicate texture of her skin. As she locks eyes with the camera, she subtly shifts her posture, raising her elegantly crafted hands to gesture naturally while she engages in conversation. Moving beyond just aesthetics, the hauntingly beautiful realism of her face is not just poured from a simple mold. Instead, it is achieved through an exhaustive process involving custom medical-grade silicone and painstaking manual hair implantation. Because of her uniquely engineered facial structure, she possesses up to 34 independent degrees of freedom dedicated entirely to micro-expressions. To bring this face to life, these internal actuators are paired with Yunmu's own Emotion Interaction Model 2.0. This advanced software lets the robot read a visitor's tone of voice, analyze facial cues, and understand the actual meaning behind spoken words. If her cameras sense you are sad, she will intuitively frown with empathy. Conversely, if you are happy, she will genuinely smile with her eyes, seamlessly adapting her persona in real time. Supporting these interactions, the dual 6-degree of freedom arms end in skin-covered dexterous hands. Some versions carry up to 22 degrees of freedom in the hands alone, allowing for gentle pointing, object handoffs, or expressive gestures that feel incredibly human scale. When it comes to pricing, the full-state, skin-covered bipedal cultural models typically sit in the $60,000 to $100,000 range, depending on customization.